In data vault architecture, fact tables are usually derived from link and satellite tables. But satellites are optional in here because every link table does not have a satellite. So we can again look at the fact tables either in type 1 or type 2 approaches if they have connected satellite tables. So let's look at the sample. We have a business that includes the information about sport club and their members. In respect to that, we have two hub tables. One stores the business key of classes in sport club like yoga, pilates or spinning, and another hub stores the member information. So for each time when a member registers for a club, then a new relationship is inserted into link table. So you also see an example, member 101 is registered for club 10, maybe that will be yoga, and 102 is registered for class 20, just we can assume that it's a Pilates class. We also have a satellite table that is connected to link table and include the attributes of this relationship as registration date or registration type. For example, if member registered the yoga class with standard package, then she could only attend lessons 2 times in a week. But if she upgrades her registration type by moving to gold or premium package, she would have expanded membership with lots of additional benefits. So these attributes describe the relationship between member and club, and therefore they are stored in a satellite table which is connected to link. But what happens if the member upgrades her registration type while she is attending the same club? So we don't get additional record in link table because the relationship is not changed, is already there. Only the description of the relationship is changed. So therefore we get an additional record in the link satellite table. Okay, now look at how we are going to form the fact table out of them. If you would like to load fact table with type 1 approach, we would get the recent record according to maximum load date information from satellite table for each relationship, which is a similar method we were practicing in earlier sessions. So we only loaded the latest version of data for each relationship out of the link satellite into fact table. I just want to take attention in here. Please remember the difference between link and effectivity satellite. So sometimes they would be confusing because the satellite table in here we use for the link table is regular link satellite that is used to store history of relationship. But if you would like to report active, close or historical relationship, then you need to use effectivity satellite. So there are two different concepts. If you are confused now, I would like to recommend you that you will check through the older sessions then and refresh your memory about them. Okay, back to example. Now we know how to form type 1 approach and shortly look at the type 2 aspect for the fact table. We again add valid 2 column into fact table. So we update the valid 2 column from previous relationship with the valid from column of the latest relationship. In here, different from dimension table, we update the valid 2 columns for each relationship instead of single business key. Therefore, you see we have 2 records with the 999 December as assigned valid 2 column for each relationship in the table. And again, don't forget to generate surrogate column in order to create primary key value for the table. Now we get an understanding about how to form dimension and fact tables that will be used in dimensional model when we do reporting. Dimensional model is much more easy interface for end user in respect to reporting and data exploration, as they would like to access the data without any complexity, and they would also decide either they would like to view data in a current or historical way according to their business requirement. Thank you for your time.